Across Europe, something is changing. School communities are stepping beyond textbooks. They are taking action to protect our ocean and waters. This transformation is driven by three projects: Shore, ProBleu, and BlueLights. Together, they are expanding the network of European Blue schools, supporting hundreds of schools across Europe and beyond. When schools are given the right tools, learning becomes action. School communities collaborate with local actors, NGOs, scientific teams, and beyond. Over 300 school projects funded, hundreds of schools joined the network, ideas became real-world action. Ocean literacy is no longer just theory. It becomes something students experience, improve, and share, working with local actors and connecting with other schools. Small grants made a big difference. They opened opportunities for all schools, focused on key water basins and local relevance, introduced citizen science and local collaborations, focused on innovation and sustainability. The response shows strong demand. Schools are ready to lead change. The impact continues beyond projects. A lasting network is growing. This shows that it can be done. Every school can make a difference. The network of European Blue schools is growing. A new generation is ready to lead. A growing network, a shared vision. Schools across Europe are leading the way, empowering schools, inspiring action, protecting our waters.